Hello, I'm Brenna Bach. I'm founder of Collective Wealth Planning. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through our ongoing wealth management service, what it really looks like day to day, what's included, and how we support you over time. My hope is that this gives you the clarity you need to decide whether this approach aligns with what you're looking for. First, let's talk about what ongoing wealth management is and what it includes. This is a long-term partnership. It's for people who want both financial planning and investment management handled in a coordinated, year-round way. In practice, we start by setting up and transferring your accounts and making sure everything is structured correctly from day one. From there, we design an investment strategy aligned with your goals, your time horizon, and your comfort with risk. We monitor and rebalance the portfolio over time, making adjustments as life shifts and managing income or withdrawal strategies as needed. A big part of this work is implementing the tax and investment strategies we identify together, things like managing capital gains exposure or integrating Roth conversions when they make sense. You'll get clear meetings, ongoing reporting, and regular updates throughout the year. And of course, I'm here for you. Reach out anytime with the decisions you're weighing or the should we questions that pop up in real life. This is a year-round approach to managing your financial life, not just your investments, but the decisions and the strategies that support your goals and what you truly care about. One thing I hear consistently from my ongoing clients is that they value having one trusted point person for all of their financial questions. You don't have to figure out who to call or whether something is a big enough deal to ask about. You just reach out and we sort it out together. They also appreciate having proactive help throughout the year, reminders, nudges, and updates, so things don't fall through the cracks, especially with taxes, deadlines, and major life changes. A big part of this service is helping you manage complexity as life and finances evolve. That might mean retirement timing decisions, managing multiple accounts, supporting aging parents, transferring wealth, or navigating the financial side of big life transitions. We also coordinate with the rest of your team, your CPA, your estate attorney, insurance professionals, so that you don't have to act as the go-between. That coordination is often where people feel real relief. And finally, ongoing clients tell me they appreciate having someone who is always looking ahead, identifying risks, opportunities, and action items, and giving you clear next steps so nothing gets overlooked. If you're someone who wants long-term guidance rather than one-time direction, this path is usually the best fit. Ongoing wealth management means that all areas of your financial life are reviewed and cared for over time. We'll start by zeroing in on what matters most to you right now, the questions you want answered, the decisions in front of you, and anything that feels unclear or urgent. From there, building a baseline financial plan is usually the most helpful next step. Creating that initial plan within our first 12 months gives us a solid foundation to work from, and it helps every decision that follows feel more aligned and confident. That said, everyone comes to this with a different timeline and capacity. Some people want to dive in right away, while others prefer to take it more slowly. We'll meet you exactly where you are, and we'll adjust the pace to fit your life. Once we address your immediate needs and get the foundation in place, we often settle into a natural rhythm like this, connecting throughout the year and making sure each part of your financial life is reviewed and updated. This is simply an example of what a year can look like. The real goal is to create a cadence that keeps us proactively looking ahead, catching opportunities, and avoiding pitfalls. Before we talk through the process of getting started, I want to highlight one of the areas that tends to have the biggest long-term impact for my clients: tax planning. Most accountants do excellent work, but their role is primarily reactive. They file your return based on what already happened. What we do here is proactive tax planning. That means looking ahead throughout the year, identifying opportunities early, and helping you avoid surprises when it's time to file. We're keeping an eye on how your income, investments, retirement decisions, and life events intersect with your tax picture. When something shifts in your life or in tax law, we adjust the plan so you're always taking advantage of the strategies that fit your situation. If you already work with a tax professional, we coordinate closely with them. Our goal is to make their job easier, synthesizing our recommendations and incorporating their expertise. Ideally, this makes your bill from them a bit smaller. The other major area that supports your long-term success is your investment strategy. If tax planning is about reducing friction, your investment strategy is about keeping your money working in a way that supports the life you want. Our investment approach is intentionally straightforward, evidence-based, and designed to support you over decades, not months. Your portfolio will be globally diversified, low cost, and aligned with your goals, your time horizon, and your comfort with risk. We avoid speculation and instead rely on long-term, disciplined strategies that have been shown to work. If you have specific preferences, whether that's socially responsible funds, tax-sensitive portfolios, or holding more cash, we can incorporate that. The goal is a portfolio you understand and feel good about. Behind the scenes, we manage the ongoing monitoring, rebalancing, tax coordination, and day-to-day decision-making so you don't have to. We partner with GeoWealth for trading and back-office support, and Schwab serves as your custodian. It's a simple, steady approach designed to support your financial life, not complicate it. Ongoing wealth management is billed as a percentage of the investment accounts we manage for you. Fees are deducted quarterly from those accounts, and there is a $500,000 investable asset minimum. For assets up to $500,000, the fee is 1.5%. From $500,000 to $1 million, the fee is 1%. For $1 million to $3 million, the fee is 0.80%. From $3 million to $5 million, 0.60%. And assets $5 million and above, 0.40%. This structure reflects the level of ongoing planning and support that's included. Your advisory fee is clearly shown on your quarterly Schwab statement, so nothing is hidden or hard to interpret. My goal is always clarity, alignment, and making sure the value you receive from this partnership feels well worth the cost. You'll hear from me regularly. I'm the lead planner and main point of contact for my ongoing client families. In terms of how we meet, you'll have complete flexibility. We meet where and how you want. Once you come on board, you'll have access to my ongoing client scheduling links anytime. They're always included in my email signature, so it's easy for you to book time whenever you need it. If, after our introductory call, you decide you'd like to move forward, here's what happens next. The second step is data gathering. We'll collect your account statements and the other important information that we need. Step 3 is signing. We'll prepare all of the paperwork needed to open your new accounts at Schwab and transfer your existing investments. We'll review everything together so you feel confident before signing. Once the paperwork is in, the transfers begin. That's step 4. Transfers vary in length. Sometimes it's 3 days, sometimes it's 2 weeks. It depends on the transferring institution. We monitor this process daily and keep you updated so we always know where things stand. As soon as your accounts are funded, you'll move on to step 5, where we'll set up your online access and make sure you're comfortable navigating the client portal and your Schwab account. Finally, we'll decide when to start building that baseline financial plan. There's no rush. We move on your timeline. If this arrangement sounds like what you're looking for, you can book your introductory call right on our website. I look forward to the possibility of partnering with you for the long term.